This was definitely a scary crash for Jordan Smith from Seattle the other night, saying, quote, on his Instagram, well, not the night we wanted clearly. Everything was going good until it wasn't. Got cross-threaded and came up short on the triple in the rhythm section. Knocked the breath out of myself, the worst I've ever had. Couldn't breathe for about 30 seconds. And we got back on the bike, the bars were really twisted and was extremely hard to ride in the ruts to finish the race. The Alpinestars medical team pulled me in after the race to check for concussion symptoms, even though I didn't feel like I hit my head at all. I know it looked like I possibly hit my head during the crash, but my stomach and chest took the whole impact. I passed the concussion testing with no symptoms at all, blah, 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 blah. Says he's more to it, but he'll be fine to race next week. And if you watch that crash, it clearly looks to, well, not, no. To me, it looks like he hit his face. Like, there's very little between your chest and your head, especially when it snaps like that. But I mean, if he's passed the concussion protocols, hopefully everything is fine. Hopefully he's back next week and there's no symptoms and there's no problems and he can get back to racing. And I don't know. But you guys tell me, what did you think about the race? Did you like the track? Are you getting bored with these quote unquote rain affected tracks or rain affected races where it's not a mutter, but it's not a full track? It's kind of slowed down. I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't think they're bad. It's one of those things that you see a lot of people saying, "Oh, let's do everything in a fully covered stadium." Well, one, the stadium that was right next door that everyone was talking about had like I think it was 11,000 seats less or something, or 11,000 seats less than they sold tickets to this race. So there's a ton of money lost if you don't do it. Just do the math yourself. Whatever the seat is, times it by 11,000, and bam, there's a lot of money gone. And two, at least on my side of things, these are dirt bikes. They don't like you shouldn't have to have perfect conditions. Like, yes, obviously this is supercross where jumps count and everything, but if it's a rain affected race or if it's muddy or if it's whatever, these are the best riders in the world. They should be able to adapt and race it. At least in my thought. But whatever it is, you tell me if I'm wrong. Comment whatever you think about these races. Do you want them all in indoor stadiums or are you fine with what they are because it kind of brings a little bit of equalizer to some things, but whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later.